Namaste everyone, welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we're going to do systematic practice of Navasana. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and click on this bell icon and stay tuned. So what you need to do, you need to extending your legs out. In Navasana, it's important that your back is straight. So what happens to your leg in the beginning, it doesn't matter. So whether they bend or not bend, it doesn't matter. But we want to keep your back straight. So if I'm doing Navasana like this and my legs all the way up, is no point, right? So what you want to do, you want to hold the knee this way, bring your chest up, all the way up, so that you're sitting on the sitting bones and not on the tailbone, right? So if I do this, I'm on the tailbone and I'm not going to work as much onto my abdomen. Therefore, come up, forward up, sitting on the sitting bones, bring the hand on the ground, lean back slightly, but not this way, right? So chest up, lean back, lift the leg up. Okay, then see what you can do. If you can lift up leg without hunching, keeping the chest up, leg up. If you can bring all the way, it's great. If not, keep the leg bent in the beginning and stretch them and bend them. Stretch them and bend them so that your muscles can get used to it and prepare for doing a full Navasana. Keep doing this. And once you're ready, bring your hands up, legs up, and you're doing the full Navasana, right? So once again, you do not want to hunch in this pose. Keep sitting on the sitting bones and your chest as high as possible. Your knee in the beginning can be bent this way, hand on the ground, lifting up, feeling onto your abdomen already, and then extending the leg up and back, extending and back. And once you're ready, then only you can lift the hand up and legs up. So try this way and let me know how it goes, or if there's anything that I can help you with, any suggestions if you have. For me also, I would like to know if you have a better suggestion that I should tell, or I would also like to hear if you do the Navasana and you do perfect way, then what's your way? So please write on the comment section below and let me know. So thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I hope to see you in the next video. Namaste.